Okay, moving on to question 10 of the MCQ of Electrochem 1 tutorial. We are supposed to look at a setup to measure the E0 of a half cell. The key considerations in this question is which set of concentration will give the correct value of E0. So E0 is a standard condition, which means all your concentrations are at 1 mole per dm cube. So in this case, it's pretty obvious. Answer B will be the correct answer. Right? So it doesn't take into account, the stoichiometry of the equation. Right? Your concentration of your solutions are all at 1 mole per dm cube. So HOCl 1 mole per dm cube, H plus 1 mole per dm cube, and Cl2 1 mole per dm cube. Okay, so answer B. Okay, moving on to question 11. So 11, if you take a look at this question, you have two half cells connected together. So because it's two half cells, I need to look at the more positive E0 value. This will be my reduction. This will be my E0 oxidation. Okay, so overall E cell will be 0.80 positive minus away 0.77, and I end up with a positive 0.03 volts. So the question is to have changes to result in the cell potential to be 0.00 volts. So in other words, to make it 0.0 volts, I can either make this less positive or make this more positive. That's how I can make it to be 0.03 volts. So let's take a look at this. We have a reduction equation here. Reduction. This is oxidation. Okay. So we need to make reduction, E0 reduction, to be less positive, which means we need the equilibrium position shift to the left. So the correct concept to use is to decrease Ag+. So A will be evidently wrong, because if I increase Ag+, equilibrium position shift to the right. So that's not what we want. Then in the options of B and C is basically, one is to increase Fe2+, the other one is to increase Fe3+. So take note, that is the difference, Cl2, Cl3. Okay, so in this case, I need E oxidation to become more positive. So I need equilibrium position shift to the right to favor reduction. So which means I need to increase Fe3+ or to decrease Fe2+. So therefore, based on the option, increase Fe3+ would be the correct option. Okay, B will be wrong, because if I increase Fe2+, equilibrium position will shift to the left hand side. Okay, and then of course, last but not least, changing the surface area of the silver electrode, the size of the electrode, will not change E0. Okay, so no, there's no effect on E0. Okay, and therefore C is the answer. Okay, and that's it for question 9 and 10. Question 10 and 11.